Hey you guys, this is Kel and I am back to do another video for you guys. The video I have up next is a quick weave video and she curly, y'all. So I'm excited. Ain't y'all excited? I'm excited. So this is Outre quick weave, which Outre quick weaves are like my favorite. Like I've done so many of their half wigs in the past. It's crazy because I love their quick weaves. This is Mekhda, and I have her in a number 2. I'm hoping I'm saying that right. Mekhda, M-E-K-H-D-A. I'm not Mekhda. This is Mekhda, and of course you can curl her up to 400 degrees, but why would you want to? She has a curly bang, which I'm gonna put all that there. So I'm excited. So I want you guys to stay tuned for me putting this wig on, and I'm excited for it. So I'll see you next clip. Alright you guys, I have her on, and of course she is a curly bang, so I wanted to show it the way it is meant to be worn and the way the model wore it on the stock card. Now, which I like it this way, but I'm not really used to bangs that cut like straight across like that, and plus I feel that this bang needs to be cut to shape my face. Now, I did not pull her apart or pluck her out anymore because if you can see, she is already really big and popping. Now, these curls are so beautiful, so pretty. This wig is so soft. I love it. I really, really do love it, but I think I like her better with this bang pulled kind of to the side to have like a side bang type of thing. I'm not gonna lie, when I first put it on, I felt like my soul was about to glow. You know what I'm saying? So, but I like her. And I can definitely see myself wearing her every day because y'all know everyday wigs for me are curly wigs. Not necessarily the straight, standard body wave type of wigs. No, this is everyday for me. Now, I really do like her. She is so pretty. Now, I have her in a number 2. If I did not say that already, I don't think I did, but whatever. She is in a number 2, which mimics my own hair curler. These curls actually mimic my curls a little bit. Mine's a little bit kinkier, but this is popping. I really, really, really do like this. Like, I feel like you don't really need to cut her at all. Like, she's shaped really, really pretty. Like, look at this. Like, literally, I just put it on and play with the bang. Like, that's pretty much what you can do with it. I do feel like you can definitely do styles with this. Like, I can definitely see myself putting this in a ponytail, like half up, half down type thing. It is so many things you can do with this here wig. Like, it's pretty. Like, this is what it looks like on the left side, which you already know. Well, the right side, I'm not a right part type of girl, but it looks cute both ways. Like, I just feel like you can have fun with this wig. Like, I might have to do a styling video on her because she's that type of wig for me. And I can definitely see myself wearing her half up, half down. Although I do like this bang in the front, but I'm not that type of girl. I really do feel like my mama and my daddy in the 80s. There's a picture of my mama and my daddy, and she's pregnant with me, and they both had the jerry bang to the side. They looked a hot ass mess, but those my peoples, so I can't really talk about them too bad, but whatever. So this is it. This is Mekhda, y'all. There's nothing I can really talk about her or say about her. She is not shedding. As of right now, she's not tangling, but it is a curly unit. So of course she is gonna tangle or mat in the back, but it's not gonna be that big of a deal because it's a curly unit. That is kind of what they do, and it's a synthetic unit. They are not going to stay like a curly unit. I mean, well, like straight wigs do. You can't just brush this out. So it is going to mat, it is going to tangle in the back, but as long as you keep this part looking good, which I really do like this wig. Like, I really do love it. It's very, very cute, and it's big. Like, it is so big. Like, I didn't even have to fluff this out, and it's already big. Y'all know I like big hair. I fluff straight wigs. So y'all already know this right here. It is big, honey, and I'm loving it. Loving it. Like, to me, this kind of looked like one of my crochet styles. I love it. So pretty. But anyways, that is the end of this video because I have nothing else to say about her. She is pretty much perfect, which most of Outre curly units to me are. So whatever, call me biased. But yeah, there's nothing else for me to say about her. So I would like for you guys to like, share, and subscribe to my beautiful channel and be a part of my little crazy family, because why not? Y'all got nothing else to do. You watch the video, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna watch some other videos because I'm gonna make sure you watch the previous video at the end. So you might as well click on that video and keep on clicking. And if you watch more than 2 videos, you might as well subscribe. You are already a subscriber. I said what I said. Anyways, I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.